Transparent ceramic stands out for its exceptional purity and minute porosity, ensuring that light passes through seamlessly. Its ultra-smooth surface and evenly thin grain boundary structure provide unparalleled transparency and optical properties. Suitable for applications in lighting, optical instruments, and high-temperature environments, transparent ceramic combines high strength and corrosion resistance. Transparent ceramic sets a new standard in materials science by blending high strength with unmatched transparency, its superior optical properties and structural integrity, making it a go-to for applications in high temperature, high pressure, and corrosive environments.